guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I've decided to do a spring makeup look. It's going to be a fairly simple makeup look because it's going to be monochromatic. If you don't know what that means, basically I'm going to be using the same shades of color throughout my look just to achieve this very bright spring makeup look. So if you're interested in how I get my super cute, super easy spring makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching. So a couple of things I'm also going to be talking about in this video are some changes going down on my channel. So I want to just start off with some things. I'm going to try to tell you guys what I'm using, but if I forget something, I don't want you guys to be like, oh my god, I have no idea what to use. So I will put all of that down below so you know. So the first thing I'm going into is my Mario primer for my eyes. I don't know why I took such a gap between there. But as most of you know, if you're not new here, I have been uploading 6 days a week since I want to say October, and I love doing it because I do truly believe that I have so much content when it comes to makeup. Like, there's so much stuff when it comes to beauty that you can do that 5 days a week is just really not undoable, if that makes sense. But what I have learned in the past couple of months is I feel like I'm overwhelming people. I feel like I'm overdoing it, if you will. I know that some of you really love my stuff and you watch it every day religiously and you enjoy that. I'm not saying that I overwhelm everybody, but I do feel like I'm kind of just, it's day after day after day, and I really don't give my videos time to be seen by you guys. And you know, you're not on every day, and when you do get on, you're not gonna go back and watch 60 videos you missed while you were gone for a week. You're gonna watch the one that is the most recent, more than likely. Again, I can't speak for everybody. Some people are different. However, I also feel truly that if I'm gonna get the best content out for you guys and be the best that I can be for you guys in my best self, it's going to be me going back to my original upload schedule, which was before I changed in October and November, was Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I will continue to have my bloopers on Saturdays. I don't get many people to watch them, but I think they're super funny. One of my subscribers, Tammy, she's such a sweetheart. She thinks they're super funny. So I'm gonna keep those because I think that it's a fun thing to do, and you guys can really kind of relate to me in that sense, where you can see, like, I'm not like, oh, perfect, da da da, I mess up, I have issues, like, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna keep that because I really think that that's something good to have. I honestly feel like every YouTuber should have a blooper reel, just because it's really, it gives you like an honest insight behind the camera, if you will, of that person. So I'm going to be doing Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 5 p.m. Eastern time, and then Saturdays my bloopers as well. I'm also gonna be, I just want to let you guys know, I'm going into the Fade into Hue ColourPop palette that I got from that huge ColourPop haul. I will link that above for you guys. I'm gonna be going into this orange line. So our color for this monochromatic look is going to be like an orangey, peachy vibe. Quarantine was not good to me, okay? So I have been teleworking and at home since March of 2020, and it just hasn't been good to me. I'm going in with Treasure, which is this matte orange right here, and I'm going to put that on my lid and all the way up. It's just going to be super quick, like 2 colors, and I'm going to show you. It looks like you put a lot of effort into it, but really it's super quick, but super fun and cute. So I've gained a lot of weight. You guys wouldn't really know much of that because you only see from here up, but I promise. And some of you can, I'm sure, see it in my face throughout watching my videos if you're not newer here. And I need to get back to a healthier me. Like, I'm not so much concerned with how I look, if that makes any sense. I just can feel how bad my weight gain has truly made me become like kind of like just very unhealthy. So I really want to get back into a more healthier version of myself and then hopefully do better. And honestly, doing 6 videos a week has been super fun, but if you don't edit videos on YouTube, or if you do, then you know. It's a lot. I mean, it doesn't take me the 20-some minutes you are watching this to do this video. It takes me hours, and then hours to edit it, hours to get it to upload. So it's not that I am complaining, because I do love doing this. I just find that I can give you guys more and better content if I just calm the freak down. I can be my best self if I calm the freak down. So that's why I'm switching back to 3 days a week, which I think is still pretty good. Plus my bloopers, like, it's still quite a bit of content. And I did a survey a while ago, and I had quite a few people actually say, listen, you gotta slow down, you're doing too much. And at first I was like, I'm not listening to them, I'm so awesome. But like truly, I think that they were being their honest self and I just was not being honest with myself. I got to slow down. However, I am going to be doing more on TikTok. I'm going to be doing probably a post, I want to say every day. I want to try to get one up every day. And it's going to be solely about product review. So it's going to be like a 60-second, like 1-minute makeup review. So it's going to be about, it doesn't have to be new, it could just be a product I'm loving, whatever. I'm going to review it in that 60 seconds. So if you're not following my TikTok, I have it linked down below. You can go over there and follow it, and I'll be doing some quick little reviews. I don't know that I'll be doing much of makeup looks on there, but more so product reviews, because I really enjoy doing those. And I find that they're helpful but quick. So they gave me like the peachy vibes, but it didn't give me the orange I was looking for. So I think I'm gonna go in with Art Deco, which is this shimmery, but it's a shimmer matte, like there's glitter in the matte. And I'm gonna put that into my crease and buff it up a little bit. As of right now though, I'm just sticking to random beauty videos 3 days a week. I don't have like any specific days, just because I feel like whenever you do specific days, you're really tied down to those, and I just don't feel like that is something that I want. Do you know what I mean? Like I love doing the recreation series, like where I recreate people's makeup, and I'll probably do that like every so often. To sit there and be like, oh, that's what I'm doing like forever, it's a big commitment. It is a big commitment. This has a lot of fallout, by the way. I just want you guys to know that. Like, I'm just touching this pan and it is like crazy fallout, but people say they love this palette. They say they love it. See, it just looks, look how it looks so springy and so fun. And that's what I'm saying. Like, I love a good spring moment when it comes to makeup. I'm so into like bright pastels and just so beautiful. So on top of that, I just have a lot of plans for my channel. And I just wanted to update you guys. And I never want you guys to be disappointed in me, because I feel like a lot of people tend to forget that we're actual people, especially us smaller ones. Like, we don't get paid like you think we do. Like, I maybe make like $100 a month on YouTube, and like, I'm not ungrateful. I am grateful for that $100, but that's what it's like. I don't think people realize, like, I'm not over here making bank. Like, I still have a full-time job. So I want to be able to make such beautiful content without it being rushed. I want you guys to be able to take your time and enjoy the content I'm putting up without feeling like you're just being smothered. Does that make sense? Hopefully it does. So I'm going back into that treasure color, and I'm just going to lighten up this portion of what I just laid down of that darker orange. Oh God, this is turning out so good. So I definitely have a lot of plans. I don't plan on going anywhere anytime soon. I think I just need to, for myself, just slow the freak down. One of the things I wanted to talk about was I got offered to do an ad for a company, which I'm not going to talk about at this moment, but I did. And like, I just want to be able to do those things. Like, those things to me are just out of this world. Like, watching my dreams unfold and come true is just, it's so amazing. I'm excited. You guys should be excited. We're gonna have some awesome fun still. Nothing is gonna change. I'm still super normal. I'm still super me, weird, crazy me. I'm just gonna be a little less. You're gonna see me a little less. But you can always message me if you need me or anything like that. Of course, my Instagram is down below. DM me. I'm here for you. You guys are what I do this for. Like, this is everything to me. So just work with me. Hopefully you're not too mad about it. The other thing I wanted to talk about, now that we've talked about this schedule change, channel thoughts, future plans, which was kind of vague, but you know what I mean. I want to talk about a giveaway I am doing. Woo! Yes, I am giving a box of goodies. I'm going to be mailing it to somebody. This is also outside of the US. I will be opening outside the US as long as they allow me to mail it to that country. So just keep that in mind. I know there's still some restrictions with the pandemic and everything. So keep that in mind. Unfortunately, if they go, oh, nope, you can't do that, then I can't do that. So just bear with me. I'm hoping that that's not the case, but I'm doing a giveaway, and all you have to do is be subscribed, like this video, and comment down below, your favorite type of beauty videos. Like, I make these for you guys. I need to know what you want to watch. So comment down below your favorite beauty videos that you want to see from me, and that's it. You're entered. So subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'm gonna close it on April 30th. So April 30th, 11:59 p.m. That's it. That's the last entry, and then I'm going to announce it on my video on May 3rd at 5 p.m. Eastern time who the winner is. I will reach out to that person per the usual. They have 24 hours to reach back out to me. If they don't, then I have to move on to a second winner. So the next one I'm going into is going to be Retro Dream, which is right here. It's just a more shimmery orange. I swear, I don't know if these look orange on camera, but they're all very like orangish, orange-esque, if you will. So I'm gonna put that all over my lid where I don't have any of that orange shade. So basically I collect a ton of makeup, you guys know that, but 4 giveaways because I do them every couple of months on my channel. So I have a box of goodies I would like to send to somebody super awesome, especially to you guys, because you guys support the freaking heck out of me, and I just really don't know what I would do without all of the support that I get from you guys. So I would love for you to enter that giveaway, and I would love to send one of you beautiful people a beautiful package. So it is only going to be 1 winner this time. I usually do 2, but this time around I'm only doing 1. There's going to be some skincare stuff, there's going to be some ColourPop stuff, just a bunch of random goodies that I've been collecting for you guys. I'm so excited. So the last thing I'm going to do when it comes to that is I'm going to take that dark color again, the Art Deco, and put it on the outside just to give it a little more depth and bring it up over where I just put that shimmer. Basically, this is just like a wash of color, if you will. It's very easy, very beautiful, very stunning. Here I am at the beach enjoying the sun moment. So the next thing I do, especially when it comes to a look like this where I'm being like super glowy, super, you know, youthful, springy, you don't want to wear a lot of heavy makeup, it's getting warm, you know what I mean? So I'm going in with some lightweight stuff. So the first thing I'm using is the Water Jelly by Huda Beauty, and I just, oh, this stuff hydrates the crap out of my skin. And then I just let it, it's gotta sit. Alright, so now that I've let that dry, I've also put on my lashes. Ooh, I'm using the Stella lashes from Lunar Beauty. I am going to first be going in with the Art Cosmetics, and this is the Glow Lash. I do really, really, really love this product because, especially during the summer, because it's going to give you like such a beautiful glow. It just looks like the sun just like kissed you. Hi. So before I go in to my foundation, I'm going in with my Becca under eye cream, and I'm just gonna boop, boop, give it a little and I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Eavesdrops, which has slowly become my favorite lightweight foundation. So I have started going in with this foundation with a brush. Just make sure it's dense, it's not too fluffy. I find that when I do the beauty sponge, it works a lot better being just like a press in, like when I'm at the end where I'm just patting it in. But applying it with the makeup sponge, it definitely absorbs most of this product because it's such a lightweight. Alright, so now I'm going in with my wet beauty sponge and a little bit more product, just a little bit. And what I usually do is I literally just push the little bit of product I just put on there into my skin. And when I say push, I literally mean push. This orange is looking so much better now that I'm getting my face together, okay? So I'm gonna go in with just a tad of concealer, and this is the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in Ivory. One of my beauty blenders is like so old that it started to pick up makeup really weird off my face. Like it wasn't blending it, it was picking it up for weird. So I'm just gonna go in per the use and just lightly set my under eye. So I just go in with a little bit and I just place it where it's needed. I don't find that caking powder on your whole face, especially if you have dry skin, is a necessity. It's just not. So for bronzer, I'm actually going to be going into the Avani bronzer that I recently got. I know that looks like a lot, but I will blend it out. I just like to place my bronzer now. And as for my setting powder, I don't know if I said it, but I went in with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. First of all, let's get this. This was so harsh. Why did I do this so harsh? Jiggle my juggles. Why is my chin just jiggling? So I signed up for Weight Watchers. A college friend of mine actually has been doing it for a little bit, and she looks phenomenal. So I'm excited to really give that a go, and now that I'm gonna have a little bit of time to do it and just dedicate into my health, I'm so excited, guys. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is I'm going to go into blush, which is going to be this ColourPop Out of Sight Pressed Powder Blush, and it is right on point with the color of the day. Very cute. It's a little more pink than I expected, I feel like. Hopefully it's coming off orange on camera, but on my monitor and my mirrors, the 80 that I have going on, it's kind of pink. Okay, so before I move on, I want to finish off the eye look. I'm going back into that same palette. Alright, so I think I'm going to go into Treasure again, which is just that light orange, that peachy color, and do that one instead and see what happens. It's actually cute. I don't mind that. I don't hate that. I'm just getting a different brush because I hated how that applied. And I'm just going to get more of a blending brush so I can make it blend out just a little bit. I don't like it to be all the way just on the lid. I bring it down a smidge. I think I'm gonna be going into that color because this orange is not what I wanted, I don't think. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going into Art Deco and I just tapped it off so it's not too crazy. And I'm just gonna shimmy very lightly onto my under eye because I don't want it to get glitter everywhere. I actually like that a lot better. So that's it for this palette. For my lips, I'm going to be going in with the K-Bop Velvet Blur lipstick by ColourPop, and I chose this because it's super orange, so it's gonna be a little bit more orange than this look, but that's okay because I like it. I'm excited to try it, so I'm gonna put it on. And this is matte, but it's not like dry matte. It says that it's supposed to like blur your lip lines, but it doesn't do that either. It's just a nice lipstick. It's just, you can't really blur these lines. Like, this is just my lips. It is what it is. We're gonna do some highlighter now that we have all that jazz going on. I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill or Jaclyn Cosmetics The Flash palette, and I'm gonna be going in with Sparks, and I'm just gonna place it right here and on the nose and the chin. And in this palette it has this color, which is Mesmerize, which is kind of like a shift between like a yellowy gold and orange. So I decided, like a pinky orange, I decided I'm going to pop that on my inner corner because that palette didn't have any like shimmer color I feel like I would put on my inner corner. It was just like all chunky glitter shimmers. Well, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you like this look. I hope it brings some spring vibes to you, some warm, beachy feelings, all of the good things. I'm excited for my changes on YouTube. I hope you guys adjust to them pretty well. I know that changes can be kind of like really hard for some people to accept, and I totally get that because I'm the same way. But hopefully you guys will be okay accepting those. And don't forget about the giveaway. If you made it to here, then you've already seen about the giveaway. If not, you're gonna have to go back through and watch it to figure out what you gotta do for the giveaway. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really do. I love doing this for you guys. And this, I feel like, is such an easy and quick summer springy vibe. Like, it's here. It's a vibe. Hello. Hello. It's just a vibe. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is just my I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the park. I'm walking a dog. I don't have a dog, but I'm gonna walk one. Okay? That's what I'm doing. In all honesty, guys, I hope you loved this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up for me. Make sure you do subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every single week, and you do not want to miss out on those. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!